So in this video, we'll be talking about payments, right? Payments. How do you payments enables you to accept payments? So that's clear. It's not the billing. The billing is different between billing. Billing is like it sounds bills. When you say I pay bills, that's what bills means. Meaning you are paying Shopify. Payments is you accepting payments. Like it sounds, all right? Although I've talked about this in another video that will pop in your screen now, but in this video, we're just going to go on it, just show you how to go about it in quick style and not really go too in depth. Now, for payment providers, you can come here and just simply choose a provider. Click on choose a provider, and then it's going to show you this tab, and you just simply pick whatever you want to pick, third party and payments providers. There are a lot of them here. There's Payoneer here, and because I've picked Payoneer before, that's why you see it here. So I use Payoneer, just click on Payoneer here, and it's going to bring you about Payoneer. You can install, follow the prompt. It's going to, if you click on install, it's going to ask you to go log into your Payoneer account, which I don't want to do at the moment, but this is how you get it sorted out, right? So let's go back. Okay, so payments, right? Now let's scroll down to show you other things. So if you have a PayPal account or you live in country where PayPal has accepted, just click on setup incomplete and you complete your PayPal account by setting up receiving payouts from PayPal. The same thing really. You click on this, it's going to ask you to come on here. See, this is pending, all right? So I have to complete that sign up, and I'm not doing that again. Like I said, this is a demo account, so I'm just using this for the tutorials. I'm not going to set up anything. You could also add payment method if you want to think PayPal is not enough. So you can click on search by provider, not search by payment. Search by provider, click in here and just type in, let's say you type in Payoneer. It's going to show you how I got to where I got the Payoneer here. You can also type in Flutterwave. Flutterwave, these are for folks who are in Africa. Flutterwave, see African payments, and you can use that. This to set up your payments gateway. Remember, this is how you get paid. Don't forget, guys. Right, so let's go back. You can scroll down, payment capture method. So automatically at checkout, automatically when the entire order is filled, I usually prefer this one. It just makes sense. You come down here, payments made outside your online store, orders paid manually must be approved before billing filled. So you can do that here. You could create a bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. You could do any of this. If you click on cash on delivery, you put the information here, put in payment structure, so the person sees it. Right? Remember, this is at the checkout point. So if the person is doing, if you are doing payment on delivery, you could put information here, display to customers when they are choosing payments. You can tell them anything. All right, so this is how upon making your order, when the order gets to you, make payments to the account shown you. This is the instructions. You can put in the bank account here, right, that you want them to use. If it's a transfer, if it's a check, whatever you accept, you put it down here. You click activate on cash on delivery or payment on delivery. Hope that makes sense, right? So view method customization. Don't worry about that. Gift card expiration. Do you have gift cards? If you have, then go ahead. Apple Wallet passes. Not everybody uses Apple, so I'm not going to cover this at the moment, right? But so far, so good. We've covered payments. Please make sure you take your time with this because this is how you get paid, guys. If you don't fix this, no money for you, right? So you cannot get paid, you cannot withdraw your money. So make sure you take your time in doing all of this, making sure all of this is sorted out so that you can have a stress-free business. Because trust me, e-commerce and dropshipping is very sweet. Come think about it. Temu is a dropshipping business because Temu does not manufacture anything. They bring in sellers and then the sellers sell on their platform. So show you how lucrative it is. Temu has made billions of dollars. And you can get in there and take a piece of the pie for yourself. So do not get discouraged if you see, oh, Shopify is so bogus. How can I go about this? No. Start from somewhere. Then you progress. When you progress, you'll get to where you want to get to. And if you're finding it difficult, watch all the videos I post on my channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, or you could simply reach out to us for a one-on-one training and we'll teach you exactly what you need to do, or we'll help you set it up for you. We'll have a beautiful done for you package that you don't have to break the bank for, but then we'll help you get started and hit the ground running. Thank you again for watching the video to this point. If you're very serious about dropshipping, I advise you watch this next video pop in your screen. Thank you for it later. Cheers.